This is a tutorial on creating searches for your awesome Chime.me website. This was one of our first Chime sites that we did. It's a full custom. Lots of work on this one, but the same technique is true whether you're a semi-custom or a custom Chime site. I do want to backtrack just a little bit here. If you are a semi-custom Chime client, you'll go to Semi-Custom Designs. And while I list these out, any of our designs work on Chime, whether that's custom or a semi-custom. So here's a semi-custom, template number 24. And we have lots of these. I just haven't put everything in our portfolio. Let me see maybe this one. So on the semi-custom designs for Chime, you are going to see, any of these examples you might see in my portfolio. It will basically be the same, but you will find some differences like in the navigation and the footer, that type of thing. So this is an example of let's just go back here, sorry. So Sam Lepore. You'll have your logo. We can match your colors, but this is a really good example of your navigation. And this template here, the photo goes all the way up. I do have a video on picking photos and how to streamline that process. I've been working with Sam for a while now. So template 24, and you can have different names. So maybe you don't want multifamily. Maybe you mark it into ocean view. Maybe you're in Florida and you do gated communities or 55 plus or whatever that might be. So we can change what those are. These would be your areas. And I want you to be prepared when you order a semi-custom. If you're a Chime client, I want you to know what template you're going to order, as well as how to create searches. And I do have a video just on photos that we'll send you so you can be prepared and cut down some time and help this move along faster. So what's your home worth? You can have a separate image in here. And one of the things that's really helpful for us is understanding how to create your searches. I absolutely love these neighborhoods, how these all come in, they look. So when you're creating, once you've picked out your template, you're going to need to create those searches. And the way that you do that is you literally are just like a consumer. Such a nice presentation here. So you'll create that search. And you can put this in an email. You can put it in a Word doc. You can put it in a notepad. So it's that simple. We want one email with all of the searches, whether that's condos, a city, a lifestyle. Keep this really streamlined for us, and your site will go up quickly. And you can just exit out of this if you want. Create a new search. Any of these. Maybe it's Summit Point. Creates a nice polygon for you. That's all you have to do. So one of the things that you'll want to do is work with your Chime support and because you're responsible for internal pages. So we don't create any content for the internal pages. I want you to put your own testimonials in. Ask Chime support how to do that. They've got a wonderful support department, so that you can put your own biography, your own photo on the About Us page. If you're working with a lender, please put the lender information in the website. So when we're hooking everything up, we're just literally putting that graphic or that text next to whatever that template is, and we're linking it to the page that you've already set up. And it can cause quite a few delays if your website's not ready. So I do ask, before you place a semi-custom design with us, be prepared. We'll speak on the phone first so that we'll know what information to send you, what videos, but you're going to get your photos ready. You're going to create the searches. You're going to make sure your lender is in here and your about page. And then this will move pretty quickly for you. So I hope that's helpful. And if you have any feedback on how I can make this easier for you guys to understand how to order your template, please let me know. Thank you and welcome aboard.